Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yasmin Athifa Zahra. You can call me Yasmin. I'm from SMP Raihan. Today I would like to show you how to make a cute animal bag from the plastic bottle. What do you need? You need empty plastic bottle, craft paper, scissors, craft knife, double tape, pencils, marker pen, and the last 4 extra bottle tops. Let's make it! First, you cut the bottle to make a hole using a craft knife. Like this, and you cut the craft paper using a scissor. Don't forget to put the double tape in the paper. Like this, and now stick it to the bottle. Like this, and don't forget to cut the whole side. Cut the paper. Like this, and next you make a 2 circle like this using a pencil. Stick it the paper as ear for the animal. Like this, and let's start draw the eyes and nose using a marker pen. Now let's draw the nose in here. Like this. And the cute part, let's make the tail from the paper like this. And fold it using a scissor. Stick the tail to the bottom using a double tape. Like this. And the last part is stick the bottle tops as the legs using double tape. Ta-da! Your animal bag is done. Don't forget put your money in here. Enjoy your creation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.